Hello my dear student. Now we are going to solve the question number 7 of chapter 1st chemistry of class 10th. This is the question. First, this question demand to about the ions. About the ions, like ions whose valency is 1. The name of the ion, like potassium, K plus, silver, Ag plus, their valency is 1, and chloride ion, Cl minus, hydroxide ion, OH minus. This is the polyatomic ions. Nitrate, NO3 minus. In second valency, barium, Ba2 plus, calcium, Ca2 plus, zinc, Zn2 plus, copper, second stage, C2 plus. Non-metallic element like oxide, O2 minus, sulfate, S2 minus. Polyatomic ions, carbonate, CO3 2 minus, sulfate, SO4 2 minus. And here aluminium plus 3 plus, and non-metallic element nitride N3 minus. Just we are going to use these types of ion in a chemical reaction. Calcium hydroxide. So calcium, here you can see the calcium Ca2 plus. This is the Ca2 plus. Hydroxide, where is hydroxide? Hydroxide, this is the OH minus. OH minus. Carbon dioxide, CO2, we know. Next, calcium carbonate. Calcium, here is calcium Ca, and carbonate CO3 minus 2. Here Ca2 plus, CO3 2 minus, and water H2O, we know. Here is Ca2 plus and OH minus 1. So we will write CaOH का whole twice plus CO2 gives CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus water. Here we can see this is the balanced chemical equation, like Ca 1 atom, here Ca1, here oxygen is 2 here and 2, this is the 4, and oxygen 3 oxygen here and 1 is here 4. Hydrogen 2, so you can see hydrogen 2, and carbon 1 carbon here. Now if we want to multiply 2 in whole equation, so we can write 2 CaOH का whole twice plus 2 CO2 gives 2 CaCO3 plus 2 H2O. This equation is also balanced. We can see how many calcium? 2. How many calcium here? 2. This is the reactant side and this is the product side. Atoms which is in number of atoms which is present in reactant side, definitely the number should equal in product side also. Ca2, so Ca2, here carbon is 2 atom, here is carbon 2 atom also. Oxygen, here 2 and 2, 4 and 2 to the 4, 8 oxygen. So you can see 3 to the 6 plus 2, 6 to 8 oxygen. Now hydrogen 2 yani 2 to the 4 and 4 hydrogen here. So this is the balanced chemical equation. This and this both are right. Next is zinc, Zn. In a free state there is no need to write the charge, because in free state it's there should be no charge. Okay, plus silver nitrate, silver, here is silver, Ag plus nitrate, ion, this is NO3 minus, NO3 minus gives zinc, Zn. So you can see Zn plus 2 plus nitrate ion, once again nitrate, NO3 minus silver, Ag. So you can see Zn plus, here is AgNO3, because this plus and this minus is counterbalanced. Now Zn2 plus NO3 minus, so you can see here is 2, here is 1, so in cross Zn NO3 का whole twice plus Ag. Now we are going to understand, either it's Zn 1 atom, here is Zn1, Ag 1, so Ag is also 1, but NO3 is in one quantity and here is NO3 is in twice, so multiply 2 here. So now NO3 is balanced, so Ag is here 2 and Ag multiply by 2. So now you can see this is the balanced chemical equation. Zn1, Zn1, Ag2, nitrogen 2, nitrogen 2, 3 to the 6 oxygen, 3 to the 6 oxygen. Next you can see aluminium plus copper chloride, Al plus copper, Cu plus 2, here is copper, Cu plus 2, Cu plus 2, chloride Cl minus, you can see here this is the Cl minus, Cl minus gives aluminum chloride, here you can see aluminum Al3 plus, Al3 plus chloride, once you can see this is the chloride ion, Cl minus, Cl minus plus copper, Cu, once you can see Al plus CuCl2, CuCl2, because 2 is here, 1 is here, gives here Al3, so it will in cross Cl3, AlCl3, because Cl is minus 1 plus Cu. Now we are going to balance the chemical equation, Cl2 and here you can see Cl3. So how can we balance them? Multiply by 3 here and multiply by 2 here. So you can see 3 into 2, 6 chlorine, 3 into 2, 6 chlorine. Once you can see there is 1 Al, here is 2, so multiply by 2 here. So and copper is 3 and here is multiply 3. So this is also the balanced chemical equation, because Al2, here 2 Al, 3 2 ja 6 Cl, 2 3 ja 6 Cl and copper is 3 here. Barium chloride, so you can see barium chloride, here is barium, here barium, so Ba 2 plus chloride Cl minus, you have seen this is, plus potassium sulfate, potassium here is K plus sulfate SO4 minus, you can see sulfate ion here, SO4 2 minus gives barium sulfate, here is barium Ba 2 plus sulfate SO4 2 minus plus potassium chloride K plus Cl minus. Now BaCl2 plus K2SO4, here 2 come into the cross, here B come into the cross with C, gives, here is counterbalanced plus 2 minus 2, BaSO4 plus counterbalance plus and minus, plus का 1 minus का 1, so KCl. Now we are going to balance the chemical equation. Ba1, here is Ba1 atom, sulfur 1 atom, here is sulfur 1 also, so potassium 2, potassium 1, so multiply 2 here, so potassium is balanced, so Cl2 here, Cl2 here, so once again Ba barium, potassium 2, oxygen 4, chlorine 2, chlorine, so this is the balanced chemical equation. Thank you.